Hi guys, we're back again for another content, no? My name is Miko and I just wanted to address yung mga katulad kong freelancers. So, ang tanong dito, how do you spend your downtime? I believe may mga freelancer na katulad ko na hindi araw-araw may work, hindi araw-araw merong makukuhang racket, no? There are three things that I wanted to highlight. Kung downtime ka, kung isa kang freelancer, wala kang trabaho, wala kang gig, wala kang project, unang-una, you have to increase your network. Okay? So, number one, kailangan mo magdagdag ng network. I-expose mo yung sarili mo sa ibang tao or learn to meet new people. In that way, kasi you can sell your stuff or pwede mong ibenta yung sarili mo kung ano yung pwede mong gawin or ano yung kaya mong gawin. No? Sa larangan kasi natin, there's highs and lows. May mga pagkakataon na ang dami mong racket, may mga pagkakataon na wala ka namang racket or wala kang ginagawa. So, first of all, kung you have to learn how to sell yourself sa ibang tao, no? Pangalawang bagay, I believe, continue improving sa iyong ginagawa. Whether you are a graphic artist, photographer, or whatever freelance job yung ginagawa mo, kailangan mong matuto or kailangan mong galingan doon sa ginagawa mo. Become expert on the things that you do, yung freelancing na ginagawa mo. It's either hanap ka ng pagkakaaralan or hanap ka ng pwede mong matutunan. Look for someone to look up to. Kung merong mga gumagawa na nito for the longest time, no, hanapin mo sila and kopyahin mo yung mga ginagawa nila or even higitan mo. And the third thing, mention ko kanina networking. Pangalawa, improve yourself. Pangatlo, siguro this is the things that I do, no, as a freelancer. Yung I do pro bono or I do ex-deal work, no, with the client. Kasi unang-una, ginagawa ko to not because I don't see value in what I do, pero nakikita ko yung value and I'm trying to offer it to other people. So in that way kasi na, kumbaga, mas gumagaling ako eventually and nakakatulong ako sa businesses ng ibang tao. So, I also do pro bono or I do ex-deal shoot, no? Syempre, yung value na ibinibigay ko, binibalik din naman sa akin ng mga nagiging clients ko. So, yun lang guys, no? Konting topic lang about freelancing. I know, hindi ko alam kung sino yung nangangailangan ng ganitong content, but let me encourage you that there's a lot of client outside. All you have to do is to go out and expose yourself to those people. So yun lang mga kaibigan, another content for today and see you next sa ating next episode. Yun lang, bye!